Hi everybody, welcome. Chef Kevin from Culinary Management at CVTC, and today we're gonna make a whiskey sour. Here's how it goes together. Real simple, great drink. Your favorite bourbon, whatever it might be, we're gonna take about 1.5 ounces of that and we're gonna put it into a cup. I'm putting it into a shaker glass because we're gonna shake this cocktail. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of sugar in there and some lemon juice. Now we're gonna put a little ice and we're gonna give that a shake. Cover here. And I like mine with just a little splash of soda, so I'm gonna choose ginger ale because I like that. Just a little bit. And then we're gonna make our garnish. Take some orange zest and an orange slice. And we're gonna put the orange slice right in the cocktail. And then I'm gonna take my orange zest, but I'm gonna use some really nice cherries today. I've got some Luxardo cherries here. And I'm gonna put one through like that. And put another one inside because you can never have too many Luxardos, in my opinion. And then we'll go through that and put that right on the side of the cocktail like that. And there is your whiskey sour. To find out more, you can check out cvtc.edu for more information on culinary management. And I just wish you a great week. Thanks so much.